Hello guys, this is Rahul Lodi and welcome to your channel PHP for Beginners. As we discussed echo and print in my last video, now we will learn printer functions. So what is printer functions? We use printer functions to display an array type of data. So let's continue with example. Firstly, we will create an array like test. One, two, and three. There are three elements in my array. So we will print this array with printer function. Test. I will check the result. Here is the result. So 1, 2 and 3 in my array. Thank you guys. If you like this video, so please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.